Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a full review of the Coinbase debit card. After 2 weeks of use, is it worth it? Let's find out. So, first, what is the Coinbase debit card? It's just like a regular debit card, but instead of using traditional money, you can spend your cryptocurrency directly from your Coinbase account. Okay? Now, one of the pros is that there's no annual fee. Unlike many other crypto cards, you don't have to worry about extra costs. And there's also cashback rewards. Okay, you can earn 4% cashback in Stellar or 1% in Bitcoin purchases. Okay, and there's also no liquidation fee. So if you're using, USDC, you won't be charged any conversion fees. And there's also instant funding option. So adding USDC to your Coinbase account, it's instant and free. Well, there are some cons, I would say. There's a 2.49% liquidation fee if you are spending crypto other than USDC. You will get this fee, okay, to convert it to USD. There's also limited reward options, so you can only choose between Bitcoin and Stellar for cashbacks. And my personal experience, I've been using the card daily with USDC, already stacked up over $76 in Stellar rewards. And, since there's no fee for loading USDC, I've been topping up my balance whenever I need to. And the biggest advantage is that I'm basically dollar cost averaging into crypto every time I make a purchase. Plus, if you don't like Stellar, you can convert your rewards into another crypto in the Coinbase app. Another cool perk, while your USDC balance is sitting in your Coinbase account, it also earns a 0.15% APY. And if you're off the wait list, you can earn 4% APY. And for the final verdict, I would say if you're already using Coinbase and USDC, this card's a no-brainer. Earn free crypto on everyday purchases. But, if you want to spend Bitcoin or other cryptos, the 2.49% fee makes it less appealing. So would I recommend it? Absolutely, if you stick to USDC. And that's it for the review, guys. I hope this review was helpful to you. And if it was, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.